help other people feel more comfortable burping. I have like friends and family that will let like huge burps go, and I'll be like, oh, nice one. And then they look at me and they realize they let one go, and they're like, oh my god, like, I'm so sorry. And I'm like, no, it's all good. And they're like, that's your fault. And they blame me. I was like, how is it my fault? You're the one that burped. And they're like, I wouldn't burp like that until I met you. And I was like, well then, definitely my fault. So I definitely help people feel more comfortable. Excuse me, perfect timing. See, my burps were just agreeing. They're like, yeah, I agree.